Now, as you guys can see, I completed my layer N Galxe tasks, still have a few more to go. I'm going to give you guys the answers for this quiz. If you want a full video on how to complete layer N airdrop Galxe task, comment layer N in the comments. For those who don't know what layer N is, layer N is an Ethereum StateNet, which is a unique type of L2 designed as a network of custom virtual machines. The project is backed by huge institutional investors, so I suggest you do more research and tap in with this airdrop. Okay, so now I'm on the Galxe Quest page. The quiz is down below. Hit the quiz. I'm going to go through the quiz and give you guys the answers. Question 1, what is layer N? Answer D. Question 2, what are the two main things that layer N solve? Answer B. Question 3, what is the StateNet? Answer D. Question 4, what are XVMs? Answer A. Question 5, what is NordVM? Answer D. Question 6, how much throughput can layer N handle? Answer D. Question 7, how fast is layer N in terms of latency? Answer A. Question 8, does a rollup in layer N need bridges to compose with another rollup? Answer B. Question 9, can a smart contract on an EVM rollup compose with an XVM rollup in layer N? Answer A. Question 10, what's layer N's mascot name? Answer C. Now I'm going to show you guys again the answers. Have a look. Now I'm not here to waste your time. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you can stay in the know of the crypto world and all the latest airdrops and answers for airdrop quests. The answers will also be pinned in the comments.